What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all my channel members and all my subscribers and all my private viewers, thank you so much. I really appreciate the love. As you can see by the title, I am making a delicious meal. Come along with me. Let I show you how I do this delicious meal. Sister J's way, Sister J's version, and Sister J's style.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cook me, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the...
So here I have some pre-cooked shrimp that I'll be using with my noodles. So here's the noodles I'm using. I'm using some seafood seasoning along with that, some cilantro, some basil leaf, some Creole seasoning, some corn. I'm using the corn in the can, and here I have some broccoli and scallion, celery, bell pepper, onion, carrot, and cilantro, as I mentioned before. And I'm using some Old Bay seafood seasoning also. And yes, the noodles is the star of the show. I'm gonna season up my shrimp with some complete seasoning. I'm using like a half a teaspoon of complete seasoning, and I'm gonna use some Old Bay seasoning. This would be like a quarter teaspoon because the Old Bay seasoning is kind of salty. So I'm not going to use too much of that one. I'm using some seafood seasoning right here also. And I'll be using some cayenne pepper. So guys, this is the cooked shrimp, but I still have to, put my little twist on it. I have some oil in the pot and I'm adding some butter. And that's olive oil. So now I'm adding some garlic to it because I just gonna saute the shrimp in this garlic butter for a few minutes and then take out the shrimp. Then I'll be adding the vegetable. So I want the shrimp to have that garlic butter taste, but still I don't want to overcook the shrimp. So here I have the corn, the celery, the pepper and the onion, and the scallion and the cilantro. All of this is already prepared. I have them washed, peeled, and cut up and ready for the pot. Yes, guys. So if you're here and you're not yet connected with me, please consider subscribing to my channel and be a part of this family. I thank you so much in advance. So now I'm going to remove the shrimp from the pot. And as you can see, we're going to have the sauce for the vegetables. So now I have my garlic sauce and I'm adding my broccoli and carrot to that. And this is the celery. I'm adding also the corn, and I'm just stirring and combine. Yes, guys, this noodles, we're taking this noodles to another level. I'm adding some assorted bell pepper and some onion. Now I'm adding some cilantro, some scallion, and Yes, guys, I'm stirring this all up, mixing it all up together.
The food tastes nice. Whether add a rice, hey. Food tastes nice. Food tastes good, yo. Yo, pass a plate right now. No joke. You must say, Sister J, big up yourself.
So here I have the star of the show, the noodles. I have the water here boiling, so now I'm adding the noodles to the water. I'll be using 3 packs of noodles. So now I'm adding some cilantro to the water, just to give it a little flavor, because I'm not using the seasoning that come with the noodles. So now that the noodles cook, I'm adding the noodles to the vegetables. Yes, guys, this is gonna be good. We're taking the noodles to another level. As I said before, I'm adding some soy sauce to that. And some Creole seasoning. Guys, Creole seasoning tastes good on seafood, it tastes good on chicken, it tastes good on vegetables. Now I'm mixing up all my seasoning here. This is the cayenne pepper, the all-purpose seasoning, the complete seasoning, and the black pepper. So I'm putting it all in the pot, and then I'm gonna stir and combine. Adding the shrimp now. Yes, guys. And remember, I did the shrimp in that garlic and butter. And I'm mixing everything now. Mix and combine. Yes. And I'm just gonna have this ready in 3 minutes. Oh yes, look at that. Looks delicious. And yes, it tastes delicious. Yummy, yummy. And if you made it this far to the video, I would like you to give me a thumbs up, share me out if you can, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. I thank you so much. Guys, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love, guidance.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook, all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the